Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Tamarika, but you can call me Tam. Today's video is going to be a 12-minute instant clean with me. I will be taking you guys along as I clean my kitchen, and it will be the last time I clean this kitchen. So you can turn this video on any of your devices and clean with me, or you can watch now and get motivation for later. Either way, let's get to cleaning.
You reflect me like a Friday night on the weekend. I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end. I'm not leaving without a fight. Now you're always on my mind. You're on my mind. Turn around, hold me tight. Turn around and we will be alright. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend. I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end.
I know this video is a lot shorter than all of my other videos, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this 12-minute instant clean with me, because if you do, I will upload them more often.
I just don't want this moment to end. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end. I've got 30 minutes if you wanna spill your mind. Give me all your reasons to why I should take my time. Used to have forever, but you never cared that much. Just tell me why I should give you more than.
Being that I am not very tall and the movers packed all of the chairs, my husband came behind me to wipe the top of the cabinets.
Do it again, do it again, do it again. Do it again and we won't end up as friends. Do it again, do it again, do it again. I trusted you once but I won't do that again.
If this is your first time clicking on my video, I would like to thank you, and I would also like to introduce myself. My name is Tamarika. I'm a military wife and mother of 3 boys, and on my channel you will find cleaning, organization, home decor, and also some DIYs. If this is something that you would enjoy, please consider subscribing and comment below to introduce yourself.
Tell me why you won't. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Do it again and we won't end up as friends. Do it again, do it again, do it again. I trusted you once but I won't do that again. Don't know what you started.
If you have made it this far in the video, please do not forget to hit that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out a lot, and it also lets me know that you guys enjoy videos like this. If you are new here and you've enjoyed the video so far, please consider subscribing and comment below so we can chat.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens.
It was very satisfying to me to clean this oven. I hope it was for you guys also.
To your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing.
If you are in need of any fridge or pantry organization videos, I will link them down below for you guys to check it out. I know it is the beginning of the year and everybody loves to get organized and get their house in order.
You should lose them all and start hanging with me, 'cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. The things you're saying, it blows my mind. The way you're thinking, it's hard to keep up. You got that beauty and all the brain, yeah, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you 'cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, 'cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style,
you guys. I hope you enjoyed this 12-minute instant clean with me and it gave you all the motivation you need to tackle your home. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that bell so you don't miss any of my latest uploads. And I hope you guys have a great day.
Talk to me